Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Elgato capture card with your PC. First, connect your Elgato capture card to an available USB 3.0 port on your computer using the provided cable. Next, take an HDMI cable from your gaming console or camera and plug it into the HDMI input on your capture card. Finally, connect another HDMI cable from the capture card's HDMI output to your monitor or TV for seamless pass-through viewing. This ensures you see your game without any delay. Once your hardware is connected, the next crucial step is installing the necessary software. Head over to the official Elgato website to download and install the Game Capture HD application. After installation, launch the software and select your specific Elgato device from the drop-down menu. Here, you can fine-tune your capture settings, such as choosing a resolution like 1080 pixels, a frame rate of 60 frames per second, and configuring your audio input sources for optimal sound. To ensure a smooth and high-quality capture experience, optimizing your PC's performance is key. Always verify that your computer meets or exceeds Elgato's recommended system specifications. It is highly advisable to use a dedicated USB 3.0 port for your capture card, avoiding shared hubs. Furthermore, close any background applications or programs that are not essential for your recording or streaming session to free up valuable system resources and prevent any potential lag or dropped frames. With everything configured, you are now ready to record or stream your content. You can initiate recording directly within the Elgato Game Capture HD software with a simple click. For live streaming, integrate your Elgato capture card as a video source in popular broadcasting software such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Always remember to continuously monitor your audio levels and video quality throughout your session to ensure a professional and engaging final product for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.